as we all have learnt about the parts of the plant, yes or no? Yeah. So the plants have various parts such as roots, stem, leaf, fruit, flower. These are the various parts of the plant. Excepting these parts, the plant is have two more parts, that is called a node and the internodes. Okay, we'll discuss about these, what is internode and what is nodes and what is the location where it is present in a plant. So let us discuss the first one here. When we see this plant, we are having a two more terms, that is a root system and the shoot system. So what is root system? Root system means the whatever the parts of a plant which grow below the ground. So this is a ground, the whichever the parts of the plant which grow below the ground, of course that is a root. So that is called a root system. Okay, in the roots we will find two types of root, that is primary root and the secondary root. So here the initial one which is growth, that is called a primary root, and these are the small roots. Here you can see these are called a secondary roots. Okay, the second one is the what is shoot system. Now shoot system means the parts of a plant which is grow above the ground. It may be a stem, flowers, leaves. Okay, so these are called the shoot system. So now as we know that what is root, these are called roots. Yes, and this one is called a stem, and these are the fruits, and these are the flowers, and these are the green one, these structures are called leaves. Yes or no? Okay, now one more thing, see here you can see we are having a two more terms, that is a node and the internode. So what is a node? See first one we'll see what are these two things. The nodes and internodes, they are the two structural components of a stem. These nodes and internodes we find it on a stem. Here you can see this is the stem. Okay, and here can you see this one? This is called a node and this is a internode. So nodes and internodes, we find these both terms on the stem of a plant. So first one, what is the node, where it is present? The nodes are the specific area on the stem. So this nodes is a specific area on the stem where the lateral buds, here you can see the lateral buds. Can you see the small structures, green one? These are called the buds here. Okay, it is called a lateral buds or it is called a axillary buds. So and here you can see these axillary buds will grow and it gives out leaves, branches and flowers. Okay, so this is called a node. So what is node? The nodes are the specific area on the stem, okay, where the lateral buds are present and from which leaves or branches or flower buds will grow out. This is called this point is called nodes. Okay, the second one we are having a internode. So what is a internode? Internode is nothing but the distance between the two consecutive node. Here you can see this is a one first node and this is a second node. Here you can see there is a distance, there is an area, there is a space between these two nodes. So this area is called a internode. Here you can see there is a one more node. So the distance between these two nodes is called a internode. Okay children, now I will show you the real plant. Here you can see here. So this one is a node. This is a from where the one more leaves has grown out. This is a node and this is another node. So this is one node, the second node. The distance between these two consecutive nodes are called this is called a internode. Okay, understood? This is a one node, the second node, and the area between these two nodes is called a internode. Okay children, understood what are the nodes and what are the internodes? Okay, very good. Now what you all have to do, you have to practice these diagram and you all have to learn the different parts of the plant. Okay.